There are certain things you should always have in your car: an emergency kit, jumper cables, a tire pressure gauge, and these days, a dash cam. If you know where to look, there are many relatively inexpensive models out there, and having one can save you a boatload of money with video evidence in the event of an accident. In this video, we break down the top 3 cheap dash cams on the market this year, based on performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for a budget dash cam that's simple to use and gives you straight ahead video recording, or a dash cam that's decked out with a few more useful features, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which cheap dash cam will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. We'll start with the Apeman C450, our choice for best cheap dash cam under $50. At this super low price point, the Apeman C450 captures smooth, detailed video and is easy to set up and use. The camera comes with both a suction cup for attaching to your windshield and a dash mount, and records 1080p video at 30 frames per second and has a 3-inch screen that can be used to play back any key moments. Power supply options include a USB cord and a 12-volt adapter that plugs into your car's cigarette lighter. The 12-volt adapter has a built-in USB port, which is convenient, and still allows you to charge your smartphone or other devices, even though the dashcam's using the cigarette lighter slot. Video is stored on a micro SD card, and Apeman suggests that a 32GB card is best, but an SD card is not included, so you'll need to buy one separately. The recordings are captured in loop format, writing time segments to the SD card and continuing along until it reaches the capacity of the recording media. At that point, it goes back to the beginning and overwrites older video. Any type of collision that generates a strong enough bump will trigger the C450's G sensor, and that segment of video will be marked as protected and it won't be overwritten. This dashcam also has an ultra-wide 170-degree viewing angle that captures more detail and reduces blind spots, and super night vision. The combination of an f1.8 large aperture WDR and HDR delivers clear nighttime images without the need for an external light source. The Apeman C450 does its job as a dashcam. It has a discreet design, captures pretty decent quality video, and has important features like collision detection. If you're looking for a sub $50 cheap dashcam, in terms of simplicity, video quality, and functionality, the Apeman C450 is hard to beat. Now we'll take a look at the Verratek C800 Pro Dashcam, our choice for best cheap 4K dashcam. Video quality is very important when choosing a dashcam. For example, in case of an incident, the video is worthless if you cannot make out the license plate of the other vehicle, so moving up to 4K video can be a wise choice. The Verratek C800 Pro Dashcam is an affordable 4K dashcam featuring a CMOS sensor that delivers great video during the day and superior night vision that will cut through the darkness to capture activity around you. The C800 easily mounts to your windshield and records 3840 by 2160 resolution at 30 frames per second with a 106-degree field of view that produces a clear image with no optical distortion. The dashcam uses a Sony Starvis sensor with an f1.8 aperture and a dual-core CPU that produces good video quality even during low-light situations or at night. This dashcam can also be used to capture stills to record incidents, events, or any other important moment that you want to document. Stills are captured using the same high-quality 4K resolution and are stored with the video on the same SD card media, and you can use any size card up to 256GB. Both the video and stills can be displayed or played back on its built-in 3.17-inch IPS display. Like most dashcams, the C800 Pro features loop format recording and is tied into the camera's G sensor that will detect a collision and flag the affected video segments so they won't be overwritten and can be used for law enforcement or insurance purposes. It also has a convenient auto start feature that starts the dashcam recording when you start your car, and 24/7 car monitoring that activates and records when motion is detected. If you're looking for a cheap dashcam that doesn't skimp on features and has the ability to record in 4K video, the Verratek C800 Pro fits the bill nicely and should be on your list. Last, we'll be looking at the Anker Roav Dual Dashcam Duo, our choice for best cheap dual dashcam. The Anker Roav Dual Dashcam Duo is a 2-channel dashcam that lets you keep an eye on both the road and the interior of your vehicle at the same time. It's perfect for families with young children or rideshare drivers, and it's easy to use, has a GPS receiver, and enhances interior captures with infrared. The Dashcam Duo comes with an adhesive mount that can swivel 360 degrees to allow you to record interactions at your side window like police traffic stops, and the front-facing camera can tilt up or down 60 degrees so you can get the perfect angle. Despite its budget price, this dashcam has some good hardware. The front camera records 1080p video with 30 frames per second with an average bitrate of 10 megabytes per second with a 155-degree field of view, while the interior camera records 1080p video at 30 frames per second with an average bitrate of 6 megabytes per second with a 110-degree field of view. Video quality during the day is good, and night quality is average, but as mentioned earlier, the interior camera has 4 infrared LEDs to improve video quality in low light levels. The Dashcam Duo has a 1.5-inch screen, a G sensor that will trigger in the event of a collision and preserve the affected video file, and it even has built-in GPS that will track and log your location and the speed you are traveling at that time and date, which will be useful for any insurance claims. Unfortunately, the camera does not come with Wi-Fi or a supporting smartphone app. While the Anker Roav Dual Dashcam Duo may not have 4K resolution, it has a lot of features that make up for it, including the all-important GPS logging, and the ability to record 2 channels simultaneously. This front and rear recording ability makes it ideal for rideshare drivers, or families with young children, or anyone who needs to keep an eye on what's going on both inside and outside their car. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day. We'll see you back here soon for the next video.